The woodworking industry has a dirty little secret. Some products aren't designed to help you build better projects. They're designed to separate you from your money. And the worst part? Many of these products are still being sold every single day. With thousands of positive reviews, professional-looking advertisements, and promises that sound incredible. Today, we're exposing 7 woodworking products that I believe are total scams. Now, before anyone gets angry, I'm not saying these products never work. I'm saying the marketing promises are often wildly exaggerated. And in many cases, there are cheaper, simpler, and better alternatives. If you're building a workshop, this video could save you a lot of money. Let's start with number 7. Wood repair markers. You've probably seen them. The advertisements make them look magical. Scratch your furniture? No problem. Color it in with a marker and everything looks brand new. At least that's what the marketing says. Reality is very different. In good lighting, most repairs remain visible. The color rarely matches perfectly. And on larger repairs, the results can look worse than the original damage. Can they help with tiny scratches? Sure. But the way they're advertised? That's where the problem starts. Number 6 might be controversial. Ultra-cheap precision measuring tools. The packaging always says the same thing. Professional accuracy. Machined precision. Workshop quality. Then you use them and discover the measurements aren't actually consistent. A woodworking project can survive a cheap hammer. It can't survive inaccurate measurements. Saving a few dollars on measuring tools often creates expensive mistakes later. That's not a bargain. That's a trap. Then we arrive at number 5. Miracle wood fillers. These products claim to repair almost anything. Cracks, holes, damaged corners, missing wood. Some advertisements make it seem like damaged wood can be restored perfectly in minutes. Unfortunately, woodworking doesn't work that way. Good repairs require preparation, technique, and realistic expectations. Many miracle fillers shrink, crack, or become obvious after finishing. The product isn't always the problem. The unrealistic marketing is. At this point, we've already exposed several products that promise far more than they deliver. But the next one might be the most heavily marketed woodworking product on the internet. And that's where things get really interesting. Because thousands of woodworkers continue buying it, even though the alternative costs almost nothing. Number 4 is wood conditioning products marketed as absolute necessities. The advertisements make it sound like your project will be ruined without them. And for some situations, wood conditioner can absolutely help. But here's what the marketing doesn't tell you. Many projects simply don't need it. And many woodworkers achieve excellent results without using it at all. The problem isn't the product. The problem is convincing people they need it every single time. And that's a huge difference. Now we're entering the top 3. These are the products that disappointed me the most. Because unlike the earlier examples, these aren't just overhyped. Some of them solve problems that barely exist in the first place. And one of them became completely useless the moment I learned a simple woodworking trick.